It's January 2nd, and this is the first snowfall of the year. Not much, just a thin layer, but enough to take the Neo 2 out for a short flight in the cold. Just like yesterday, the wind is still stronger than I'd like, and the Neo 2 doesn't really enjoy that. This flight isn't about distance. It's about seeing what happens when snow starts landing on the camera, or the sensors, the moment where control can suddenly slip away. This time, that didn't happen. But with a drone this small, it's something you always keep in mind when the first snow arrives. And while the Neo 2 pushes through the wind, you can feel that every correction it makes is just a little slower than you'd like. Not dangerous, but right on the edge of what feels comfortable. Every now and then, a stronger gust hits it, moments where it barely moves forward, or hangs in place for a second, and occasionally, a single snowflake drifts onto the camera, just enough to notice, but not enough to interfere. Strangely, you hardly see any of this in the footage. The image stays surprisingly steady, at least for now. Still, flying in snow or rain isn't something I'd recommend. Moisture and electronics don't mix. Sooner or later, the drone pays the price. The muted colors, the thin layer of snow, the cold air moving across the industrial area, it all gives the footage a quiet, wintry look that you don't get on any other day. A short flight, in the first snow of the year, with a drone that keeps reminding you how small it really is. For anyone wondering, the Neo 2 is flying on its standard settings here. 4K, 50 frames per second. Nothing special. The edit is just as simple. A bit of music in DaVinci Resolve, a few subtle sound effects, and a LUT to give the colors a little more weight in the cold light. And of course, a little bit of creativity, some time, and a laptop with enough power to push the render through. Nothing more than that, just a small drone, a thin layer of snow, and a short flight on the second day of the year.